Hello, wonderful people. So I'm back again with an update. So I know a lot of you are feeling bad right now that you weren't part of the dog airdrop, or rather, you didn't get enough coin. So basically, there are still ways you can still earn from this project, the dog project. There are ways you can earn. I'll be sharing that to you right now. There are actually two ways you can actually make dogs. If you didn't get into the project on time, you think you need more, you didn't even get any. So I'll be sharing that. So the first one is this. Now you need to have a Bybit account. So when you move over to your Bybit and you go to your announcements, like I'm doing here, and you search for the announcement where you actually see 32 million dogs will be shared among users. So when you open there, there are options where you can refer people to get dog. And there is particular way all you need to do is to actually transact on dog. And when you transact up to $500, at the end of the campaign, you'll be allocated some of the dogs that will be shared. So basically, how you need to do this? You need to have a USDT. You understand, some amount of USDT, and you actually go on to trade with this. You can buy dog and sell. You buy and sell and buy and sell. Whenever you come back, you see how many dog you have actually got into. And at the end of the campaign, the total amount of dog that was actually accumulated that period, it will be divided by the amount you did yourself. Whatever you get from there will be what will be allocated to you. So this is very beautiful, smooth. You understand? You can actually earn from referring. Okay. Now there's another way. There's another way. If you're on Bloom, yeah, the Bloom airdrop, and you did a particular task that had to do with dog when you completed 4/4 tasks, just hold on, check on your Ton wallet. Some dogs will be on your Ton wallet very soon. Yeah, some dogs. Some people have already started receiving this. I have someone that sent me. I think the person received around $42 worth of dogs. So this is another way to actually earn from this. If this update was actually helpful to you, do it and comment on the comment section that it was helpful. So the word for today is helpful. 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 Okay. I'll be bringing in more updates. Remember, I'm Crypto Dre. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel because this is the home of all updates you need in making profit. Remember that the goal is to make profit while learning. Thank you very much. Peace.